screw this in, we're going to take all the pressure out of the forks and let you see the difference and how much this really makes a difference. Okay, so now we are at what the bike came with stock from the factory. 0 PSI at all in the front forks. Oh yeah, so much of a difference already. Oh my gosh, I can feel it just clap all the way out. You can hear it and feel it go all the way down. And you have no air in it.
Call me Bucky, niggas lucky that I'm innocent. If I didn't have no morals, I'd be menacing. How about nigga rapping conscious but he ignorant? How he from the hood but still gon' go legitimate?
What's going on, guys? Today we're going to talk about the cheapest, quickest, and easiest way to upgrade your Surron for less than $30 using this high PSI shock pump. Let's get into it. Okay, so not a lot of people know this, but when you get your Surron from the factory, it comes with little to 0 PSI in the front forks. And I had this Surron for over a year. I've been hitting jumps, trying to pop wheelies, doing all kinds of crazy stuff, some decent sized jumps too. And I always wondered why, no matter what I do, even if I roll off of a curb, I almost bottom out. And I was almost to the point to where I was about to spend over $1,000 on new front forks. I was looking at Fox 40s, all kinds of different stuff. Even the cheapest forks I found were upwards of $650. And then one of my friends mentioned it to me, and he said, have you tried to air up your front forks? And I did not even know that the Surron stock forks came with the capabilities of being able to add air to them. And as soon as I did this, I got this pump from Amazon. I believe it was under $30, might have been right at $30. But all you do is there's a small valve right under your right front fork, the silver guy right here. So all you're gonna do is take this loose, just like that, and you're going to take your pump. I'm going to screw this on here, make sure that's nice and tight, and then it will show you the air pressure. See, this is also a release and lets you release the air from it, and you can see the PSI changing. When I hit this button, I'm letting the air out. So this is how the Surron came. 0 air at all in the front forks. And I was completely bottoming out, even riding off of curbs. So what this pump needs to be at is anywhere, if you see the 100 and 200 on the top, it needs to be about between 150 and 200. Okay, so now we are at what the bike came with stock from the factory. 0 PSI at all in the front forks. Let's go ahead and test this out and see how much these things just go all the way down and do not push back up at all. They just completely sink. Crazy, just goes all the way down. Now let's go ahead and pump this up to 150. This has made a world of difference. I no longer bottom out and no longer have to preload so hard to do wheelies. It is actually so easy. The bike pops right up for me, just like that. We're right between 100 and 200, a little over 150. I think that's perfect. And always you can hit this red button and let some of the air out. It's right there, perfect. Now let's see the difference. A lot stiffer. Let's go ahead and take this guy loose now. Alright, so we just hit the jump with full pressure. Now I'm going to screw this in. I'm going to take all the pressure out of the forks and let you see the difference and how much this really makes a difference. Now that we're at 0 psi, take this off and we're going to hit this jump. Hopefully not damage my forks, but like I said, I've been jumping this thing for a year and didn't even realize you could do this. So, let's do it. Oh yeah. So much of a difference already. Oh my gosh, I can feel it just clap all the way out. You can hear it and feel it go all the way down. And you have no air in it. Alright, thanks babe for filming.